Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set up reminder on your Windows 11 and 10 system. There are two ways you can easily set up reminder on your system. Here are the process. The first one is through Microsoft To Do. Go to Windows search and type Microsoft To Do. Click on open. Open Microsoft To Do app in your system. Here from the left side choose task and under task type the task, for example take medicine, and you can see just beside it three icon display. Here choose a date and time. The second one is reminder. Click on it and later today, tomorrow, next week, and pick a date and time. You can also choose custom date and time to set up a reminder. Change date and time and click on save. You have successfully set up a reminder to your task. So then Microsoft To-Do list, you can easily set up a reminder and various other features also available. You can also check how to use Microsoft To Do in my channel video. Here is the link displaying above. You can easily set up reminder with Microsoft To Do. The second one is through calendar. You can easily set up a reminder with calendar app. Open calendar app in your system. Here choose the new event, a small arrow, click on it and choose event. Here a box will open. Add title, take medicine, invite required attendance, choose a date and time, and various other features also available here. Search for your location, fill up, and you can also type a description here. Choose a date and time, and at the top of the page you will find the icon named reminder. Click on a small arrow and don't remind me at the time of event, 3 minutes later, 15 minutes before. Various type of time frame is available here. Choose as per your choice, and you can easily set a reminder to your task through calendar app in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. Then there are two ways to set up a reminder. First one is Microsoft To Do and the second one is calendar app.